but let's take a look at this product first. So I see you put the break-even point of 16.75.
Yes.
If you're selling it, if it costs $15 on AliExpress, you're selling for 31 plus $6 shipping, would your profit margin be around $20?
Probably about 15 to 16.
How much are you getting it from AliExpress again?
Well, that's including the shipping, so 16.75. So 32. Hold on. Yeah, so it's half.
So how much are you buying it from AliExpress again?
16.75, including shipping.
Oh, so you're putting in the cost of how much it costs into the.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, cool. What I like
That
to do
way,
is
yeah,
I like to put in the break-even point into the name.
okay. Okay, yes, yes, yes.
So let's calculate the break-even point together. So 32 plus 695 minus 16.75. Your break-even point is $22.20. So you can add that into the end of the title name, and it will really help because when you have many products, it can get confusing.
Oh, okay, yeah.